Hello, welcome to another video. In this video, we'll be talking about another type of crypto wallet. This one is a fantastic type of crypto wallet. So, I'll just, we don't need to read about it. I'll just talk about it. So, this crypto wallet is called Unstoppable Domains. Okay, now this unstoppable domain is basically like it's more or less like a cryptocurrency wallet. At the same time, it's a web where you can put in your profile, let's say your website, but a decentralized one. Talking about like the Web3 type of website. So now this web comes in .z or .crypto. Let's say now this your wallet address. Remember, we have something called the public key and the private key. Now your public key is no longer that long keys that is up to like 13 or more than 13 or 20 something. So now this key is either your name, whatever name you choose, dot z or dot crypto. Now maybe my name is Chris. I'm Chris, basically. So now, instead of me to, if you want to send me some crypto, instead of me to send you that public key that is so much long and I can't even memorize it all. So instead of me to do that, I will go to my unstoppable domain, uh, my what is it called, the page or my website, the unstoppable domain website. I just go there and click on my domain, and I see Chris.zeal or Chris.crypto. Then I just copy it and send to you. Immediately you send your that crypto to that Chris.zeal or .crypto. Immediately it's going to come to my wallet. You can see how awesome this crypto wallet is like. So it's a different kind of crypto wallet and a superb one for that matter. So it makes use of the blockchain technology, the Ethereum blockchain, and the Zilliqa blockchain. Okay, more blockchain will be coming into this system. To me, I believe, because this is the future of crypto wallet. Okay, so let's look into more of so
This
remember, we're still talking about cryptocurrency, crypto wallet, how to store your crypto, buying and selling of cryptocurrency. This is the fundamentals of cryptocurrency. So before we go forward, let us understand. We basically have understood what Bitcoin is. Bitcoin is a kind of cryptocurrency that is based on the blockchain technology. Literally, Bitcoin is the first cryptocurrency that has ever been created or discovered or or invented. Okay, so Ethereum is also a cryptocurrency, but this Ethereum is somehow different from Bitcoin. Ethereum now is a blockchain itself. It's a blockchain network. I'll show you a diagram. Let's go to that diagram in a bit. Now, this is the diagram I want to show you. Now, Ethereum is a network itself, network of blocks itself, that transaction will be recorded in this block. Inside this Ethereum, they have what we call Ether coin. Now, this Ether coin is like Bitcoin. Okay, now Ethereum now has created what is known as Ethereum 2.2. It has given more space for people to create their own application under this Ethereum network, under the Ethereum blockchain. So when we will be talking about this Ethereum 2.2, we'll be talking more in depth in blockchain technology. That will be for another course. But I want you to understand that Ethereum has is a network on its own, is a blockchain on its own. Inside this Ethereum blockchain, we have a coin or a token that governs it, that is used to govern it, which is called the Ether token or coin. So now Bitcoin is just one network. The function is to just replace this our normal cash system. It has no diversity, or its network is not created in a form where people can create their own decentralized application, or create their own project under it. You can see how Ethereum has so many blocks. The Ethereum 2.0 had more than so many blocks. And you can see how Bitcoin blocks are very small. So this is just the two main difference between Ethereum, other blockchain or coins, and Bitcoin. So we'll not go deep into what exactly is this Ethereum 2.0, or let's dive into what is Ethereum and what is Ethereum 2.2 and all that. It is to me it's kind of awesome, or what should I say, is a privilege to share this with you. So Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency platform by market capitalization, meaning it has dominated the market as the second largest cryptocurrency platform. After Bitcoin, you see Ethereum. Okay, mainly it's called Ether, but the network name is Ethereum. Bitcoin's network is Bitcoin. Okay, I want you to get that. Okay, so Ethereum now has open access to digital money and data friendly services for everyone, despite your background, your location, your well-being, and all that. Now this Ethereum community built a technology behind the cryptocurrency Ether. Ethereum is a community built built technology behind the cryptocurrency called Ether. Meaning this Ethereum blockchain or Ethereum network has built his community under this cryptocurrency called Ether. Like I explained previously, the governing token or currency or coin in this Ethereum blockchain is called Ether. And thousands of applications can be hosted on this network. Now, Ether, which is this coin, is like a vehicle for moving around the Ethereum platform. Now, before it's just like you are in an estate. The vehicle or the car you're going to drive around that estate is this Ether. Why the estate itself is this Ethereum network. Is that making sense? Okay, I believe so. Now, Ethereum is open to anyone and everyone. So no government or company has control over this Ethereum platform or network. It is nearly impossible for anyone to stop you from receiving payment or using its services. I mean the Ethereum services basically. Now anyone from any part of the world can write and develop an application on this Ethereum platform involving some digital value, lending, borrowing, investing, trading, and any type of thing. So we have seen people creating wallet, uh, lending platforms, the DeFi system, the decentralized finance. We have people creating investment platform using this Ethereum blockchain as a means to secure that platform. I've seen some people creating what we call decentralized application instead of this our normal application that we have WhatsApp and all that. We have now a decentralized. We can now create like a decentralized WhatsApp that that has privacy intact. Okay. Now Ethereum gives you access to financial services, just like the bank gives you that same access. And all you need to access is lending, borrowing, or savings products is an internet connection. They are talking about the Ethereum blockchain or the Ethereum network. Now, your personal details are not required by this Ethereum network. With Ethereum, you can make agreement and move money directly to someone else without going through intermediary companies like the banks. Now, better products and experiences are built all the time because Ethereum products are compatible by default. Now, customers have a secure built-in guarantee that funds will only change hands if provided what was agreed using the smart contract. We talked about the smart contract in our previous lesson. So the Ethereum network helps us to guarantee that my money will not from A to another B without a certain negotiation or a contract or agreement being made at hand or fulfilled, meeting up with the agreement of two individuals. Okay, now, in a way, Ethereum built a Bitcoin's innovation, including some differences. Ethereum now has upgraded the Bitcoin type of network in a way, but they still remain with this initiative that Bitcoin brought, but they upgraded it. Let's see how they did it. Both Bitcoin and Ethereum let you use digital money without payment providers like the banks, companies, and whatever. But now Ethereum is programmable, so you can also use it for lots of different digital assets. This means that people can create their own coin or their own token on the Ethereum network, but they cannot create their own token with the Bitcoin network. This is the upgrade I'm talking about. Now, this means that Ethereum is for more than payments. It is a marketplace of financial service, games, application that cannot take your data or censor you. This means that people can create games, can create lending services, financial services, company services, whatever services and applications on this Ethereum network. But it cannot be done on this Bitcoin network. This is the upgrade we are talking about. Now, this means that Ethereum network works in a diverse ways for the financial institutions, allowing them create a decentralized application so many other helps it has to provide through what we know as a smart contract. So I showed you something like this. It's a clear example. Now these are the blocks where different people all around the world can create multiple applications, games, lending services, company services, whatever, on this Ethereum blockchain or Ethereum network. Now Ethereum upgraded more, that they have seen that more people need to use their network to create any type of thing they want using their decentralized nature. So they brought in Ethereum 2.0, which is higher than the main Ethereum, but uses the same consensus, which is the proof of stake mechanism consensus. So now we find out that people now can come into the Ethereum blockchain now to do so many other things, many things. like creating decentralized applications, decentralized games, decentralized web, many other things. But previously it cannot be done with Bitcoin. Bitcoin was focused on sending payment between two people. But Ethereum came up with sending payments and also making people to create decentralized products or coins or tokens or applications or games in their networks. Okay, so this is the main difference. And like we said with the Ethereum 2.0, we're not going to go in full the in depth of the Ethereum 2.0, or let's just take a glance, because in the other book, Digital World of the Future, explain more on this Ethereum 2.0 and how it will enhance the Ethereum network. I think now it has not gotten to its full scale, uh, and it's still suffering with the gas fee. And this Ethereum 2.0 was or is a strategy to make sure the what's it called, the gas fees and all some other problems the normal Ethereum network was facing. So that was the upgrade 2.0. So now Ethereum 2.0 is an upgrade, like I said earlier, to the Ethereum network, giving it scalability, more security, more scalability it needs to serve all humanity. Now 2.0 will be released in multiple phases, so many phases. I think they're up to like 5 or 6. Okay. Now we spoke about this 2.0. I think I didn't speak much about it in this. Uh, but there is one thing I want you to understand here with the 2.0. Uh, just this diagram proves everything, but let's just uh, talk about little from it. It's now from Ethereum 1.0 to 2.0, users and developers will begin to see noticeable improvements to transaction efficiency on the merged network immediately. What do we mean? Transaction will be faster than before, be faster than Bitcoin's transaction. When you create your game, your token, whatever you are creating on Ethereum, it will be much faster than previous than before. Now, there are two primary improvements introduced in this 2.0, Ethereum 2.0, that do not exist in this Ethereum 1.0, which is the proof of stake and shared shard chains. Now, this proof of stake was not being used with this Ethereum network. I think the Ethereum network was using a proof of work consensus system. But when they upgraded to 2.0, they had to improve to what we call the proof of stake mechanism system, which we'll be diving in just in a minute. Now, what is the proof of stake Ethereum 2.2 is running on right now? Okay, we'll be diving in this just a moment. So now the Ethereum 2.0, let's read. I wanted to explain it, but it's better we just read through and we understand all this, you know, personally. So proof of stake, what is then the proof of stake Ethereum 2.0 is running on? Ethereum 1.0 runs on a consensus mechanism known as the proof of work. I think I said this earlier. Now, the proof of stake is an upgrade that it enables this Ethereum network to improve the security it has before, the scalability it has before, and the energy efficiency it has before. While shard chains are scalability mechanism which drastically improve the throughput of the Ethereum blockchain. What do we mean by this shard chains and the scalability? The fast, the speed of transactions of things done in this network, the shard chains and the scalability, okay, is improved massively. Now, the shard chains uh, a mechanism through which the Ethereum blockchain is split. This allows for transaction to process in parallel rather than consecutively, meaning all transaction goes smoothly once rather than one after the other, just as the okay. Now let's read further. Each shared chain is like having another lane to upgrade Ethereum from single lane road to a multiple lane highway. More lane leads to much higher throughput. Now, Ethereum 2.0 will primarily benefit the scalability, throughput, the scalability, the throughput, the security of the Ethereum public mainnet. Now, Ethereum 2.0 will not eliminate any of the data history of that Ethereum 1.0. Okay, even the transaction records and asset ownership or whatever that has happened with the Ethereum 1.0 chain or network or blockchain. Now, the Ethereum 2.0 upgrade is the technology and the multi-year roadmap intended to transition the world's second largest blockchain by market capitalization from proof of work to proof of stake consensus mechanism system. While cryptocurrency share a major set of property, they are not carved in stone. What is this trying to tell us? This is trying to tell us that initially, when Ethereum was created, they were using the proof of work mechanism system where that Bitcoin was using. So they found out that they had energy. The energy they were consuming was much, and the transaction speed was slow. The security was not that strong like they wanted, and because of people rushing in and using the much people coming in, they couldn't process the transactions, or people want to create games, developers want to use their system, so they couldn't just, so they had to upgrade the system to this 2.0 and change from this proof of work system. Like we said, the proof of work system is for or was initiated by the Bitcoin system, where so many chains of, or so many nodes, computers work together to in the benefit of a certain network to validate transaction and create new coins for a certain network. Now, but the proof of work system was delaying the or limiting the Ethereum 1.0. So when they switched to 2.0, it was intended for them to shift from the proof of work system to the proof of stake system. Now, the proof of stake system now is a kind of system where you have to have uh, a certain amount of ether to be able to become a validator in the network. And there is a way this proof of work, proof of stake system works. Oh, I think I didn't speak more on this. I think in the other book I talk more on how the proof of stake system works and the proof of work system works. But so let's just compare the proof of work and the proof of stake. So there are more other proof there are more other consensus mechanism used by other blockchains in the crypto space, or in the blockchain space. So we have lots of blockchain coming up, or creating more solutions for the world. So, but let's dive into this. What exactly is this proof of stake and proof of work? Now, proof of stake is the Ethereum leverage it because they feel is more convenient for them to secure their network. It doesn't take much of energy like the proof of work to takes more energy. You need to in order to participate with the Bitcoin proof of work consensus, or becoming a miner in Bitcoin, you have to have a very expensive machine that takes a lot of energy. I mean, electrical units, or electrical power, before it will be functional, or before you can be among the nodes, or uh, a pool of miners. But in a proof of stake system, it requires just a specific kind of registration, or should I say, uh, uh, you staking or owning a certain amount of crypto, of ether. Then once you own that amount of ether, then you apply, or there's a way, you there's a way you come into the system and become a full miner. With I think there is a specific PC for you to be able to work with the proof of stake of the Ethereum network. Now, this Ethereum network proof of stake, they choose you to confirm or validate the network. So, but they choose a group of miners to work, and they choose who they will be rewarding. There's a way it works, though. I won't go too deep, because I wanted to go too deep on the mining system, but there is a where I talk about mining and all that in this book. So now, in the proof of work system, all these miners, they work together. They hurriedly work together to make sure one of them is the first to be able to solve the mathematical problem or complex problem, to be able to record your transaction in the ledger, the immutable ledger. So I think there's a lot of difference between these two mechanism, or consensus mechanism. So, but basically, to me, I prefer the proof of stake. But more other consensus mechanism is already been created, and problems